They're koalas, I presume.
Rabbit.
Hey, open your eyes, buddy.
Captain, over there.
That koala is with its baby. Hold on. With its baby. That means... So that means inside its pouch is... Oh, gentlemen, let's go and wrap up this case.
Oh no, we're too late.
Let's not give up! Koala!
It's so noisy that I can't get any sleep. What do you want?
Sorry we woke you, but what do you have inside your pouch?
My pouch? Why do you want to know? Anyway, I don't have anything inside my pouch right now. So please leave. I'm sleepy.
Hey, Pete! Look at that koala!
She's holding her baby so tenderly. Is she trying to keep it safe? If that's the case, then what's inside the kangaroo's pouch is...
Boo-boos.
Rabbit.
She doesn't want to show us her pouch because she's embarrassed to show us her boo-boos.
Not you guys again! I told you to stay away!
The mystery is solved?
Finally, I figured it out!
The reason I won't show you the inside of my pouch is not what you think.
The answer's your baby.
Hey, baby kangaroo! I'm sorry, I hit you with that ball before.
The mystery is solved! Case number 32 is finally closed. The precious bundle inside her pouch was a baby kangaroo. The reason why the animals refused to show us their pouches was because they wanted to protect their babies from danger. The babies stay safe inside their mother's pouch, nursing until they're big enough to leave and venture out into the world. The mystery is solved!